Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Dynamics 365 with conditional access policies, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select the security option from the left-hand menu. Click on Conditional Access within the security options. Choose the New Policy button to create a new conditional access policy. Give your policy a clear and descriptive name. Under the Assignments section, select Users and Groups. Choose all users or specify particular users or groups as required. Next, navigate to the Cloud Apps or Actions section. Select all cloud apps or specify the Dynamics 365 applications. Move on to the Conditions section. Here, you can specify conditions based on device platforms, locations, or client apps. If you wish to apply location conditions, select Locations and choose any location or specific regions. Now, go to the Access Controls section. Select Grant to define the access requirements. Choose Require Multi-Factor Authentication to enhance security. Review the policy settings to ensure they align with your authentication goals. Once reviewed, set the policy to On to enable it. Click the Create button to finalize your new conditional access policy. After creating the policy, test it with a user account to ensure it works as intended. Monitor the sign-in logs to track how the policy impacts user authentication. Adjust settings as necessary based on your testing and monitoring results. Your Dynamics 365 should now be authenticated with the new conditional access policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.